Hey everyone, welcome to our video. Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks to make your life easier. In today's video, we'll tackle a common problem faced by many shark robot vacuum owners. So, let's jump right in. Please check the description link. I will provide details information. Understanding the issue. Before we dive into the cleaning process, let's understand why poop may end up in your shark robot vacuum. Pets, especially puppies or kittens, can sometimes have accidents on the floor, and if your robot vacuum encounters it, it can create a messy situation. But fret not, as we have a solution. Preparing for cleaning. Step 1 is to ensure your safety and gather the necessary tools. Put on a pair of disposable gloves to protect your hands from any bacteria or unpleasantness. You'll also need a plastic bag, paper towels, a small brush or toothbrush, mild detergent, and warm water. Removing the dustbin. Next, let's remove the dustbin from the shark robot vacuum. Check the user manual if you're unsure how to do this, as the process may vary slightly between models. Once removed, empty any debris or poop that might be in the dustbin into a plastic bag. Cleaning the dustbin. With the dustbin emptied, it's time to give it a thorough cleaning. Mix some mild detergent with warm water in a sink or basin. Take a brush or toothbrush and scrub the inside of the dustbin, paying special attention to any poop residue. Rinse it thoroughly with clean water and dry it with a paper towel. Cleaning the filters. While the dustbin is drying, let's move on to the filters. Most shark robot vacuums have one or more filters that need regular cleaning. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel.